Windows throws device or resource busy errors when you delete files still held by another process, even in CI. But Python's tempfile.TemporaryDirectory, combined with path.onLink, missing _OK equals true, eliminates this permanently. Imports the tempfile module, which provides functions for creating temporary files and directories, specifically enabling the use of temporary directory for secure, automatic cleanup of temporary file system locations. Imports the path class from pathlib, which offers an object-oriented interface for file system paths, enabling cross-platform handling of file and directory operations. Creates a temporary directory using temporary directory as a context manager, ensuring automatic deletion upon exiting the block. The tempdir variable holds the absolute path string to this newly created directory. Uses path division operator to combine the tempdir directory path with the string test.txt, resulting in a new path object p that represents the full path to a file named test.txt inside the temporary directory. Invokes the write_text method on p to write the literal string hello into the file it represents, creating the file if it does not exist or overwriting it if it does, using UTF-8 encoding by default. Outputs a formatted string showing the full path of the file that was just created, using the string representation of the path object p to confirm where the file resides. Checks whether the file represented by p still exists on the file system by calling its exists method, returning true since the file was just written and the context manager has not yet exited. After the temporary directory context manager exits and deletes the directory and its contents, this checks the existence of p again. Despite p being a path object in memory, the underlying file no longer exists on disk. Always use tempfile.TemporaryDirectory for self-cleaning temp paths and .onLink, missing _OK equals true, for safe deletion anywhere. Subscribe for daily coding videos.